All right, y'all. We in Stone Age. We snuck out. And I was like, y'all, let's go here. Look at this, y'all. Isn't that so cool? It's like the little pictures on the outside. So we about to go in here, see what's good. Let's go in, y'all. Let's go in. I'm excited. Babe, you ready? All right, let's go. Ooh. All right, guys. So this is the menu. Very interesting looking. Oh my god, I love it. And it's so plain. It's just like on a plain paper. Everything that they have on there looks so good. Can't wait to order. All right. This hot sake is warm, and I'm excited to take a shot of this hot sake, y'all. Like, right, babe? Hot sake. And we got two. He has the black one, and I have the white one. So, about to shoot that now. All right, y'all. So this is my shot here. I'm about to take this shot, y'all. Let's get it. Hot shot of sake. Ooh, yeah. It's potent. It makes it stronger, y'all.
Yeah, like roots.
Warms you up faster too. Ooh, yes. Oh my goodness. Really cool. Look at this lamb, y'all. She's like the grilled lamb with the slices and everything. It looks beautiful. Yeah. These are the veggies, y'all. Look at the veggies. They look so good. I can't wait to dive in. Yes. Vegetables. Ooh, I know. We got more stuff. Some octopus. Some pork skewers. Some beef skewers. And then we have some king oyster mushrooms over here, y'all. It's digging time. Got me a skewer. Let's get into it. Oops. Let's get into it. So good. So tender. Cumin, spice. It's really good, y'all. So now I got me some of this mushroom, y'all. We're gonna try some of the mushroom.
Hi guys. It's a mapo tofu. Oh,
thank you.
You're first coming, right?
Good. Some tofu, y'all. Stir-fried tofu. I can't wait to try it. Try this tofu, y'all. It looks so good. Look at that. Taste some. It's good. Look at my plate, y'all. Ooh, look at my plate. I got my noodles over here. All right, y'all. I went in on the tofu, so let's see what it tastes like. It melts in your mouth. It's like butter. That is so good. It's just like, yeah, it's like agidi. love it, y'all. Got me some squid here, y'all. Ooh, looks so good. Mmm. So good. All right, y'all. We're gonna try these noodles. They look good. Ooh, I love the spice level on everything.
And the Indian is that they don't have flavor.
Yeah.
It doesn't have,
It's very thin. Looks good. Let's try it. Mmm. It has a very strong umami flavor. Like umami. It's good though. It has like a little bit of a, seems like a little numbness there. It's pretty good though. Last one, guys. Ooh, and that is the way you end a meal. Nice warm shot of sake.